Hello, my name is Renee Rogers, and welcome to the Real Estate Workshop. This first section is going to be what's known as the initial consultation. The initial consultation is a meeting where I ask you thought-provoking questions that allows you to get the highest and best awareness of your needs and wants. In this process, we will go through everything you think of and anything I can think of for you. That'll help us generate a wants and needs list to as simple as how many bedrooms, how many baths, how large or how small, whether we want room to grow or we've already grown as big as we want. The other nice thing about this meeting is it really gets me to find the core reasons what is driving you to have a home. And then I work with those goals so that I keep them in the foremost front part of the whole entire motivation to help you stay motivated. It's a very nice process and I think you're going to enjoy it. So I look forward to you contacting me to seeing if I'm the right realtor for you. Thank you.